Hi everyone, this is Dr. Hui Xu from In Art of Music. Today we'll talk about multiple voices in music. A few days ago, one of my YouTube viewers asked a question under my piano practice video, Liszt Liebesträume. The question is, how do you know what's going on in and behind the music itself? Like for example, where the melody is, how do you know there are 4 voices in the section? I think his question is not only limited on this specific piece, but for general, how to see clearly in the music for different voices. To answer this question, I'm gonna use In Art of Music online teaching system. This system can help my students see every detail of teacher's demonstration. Please leave comments below and let me know how you feel. A lot of advanced piano pieces have multiple voices throughout the music. It sounds more colorful with multiple layers. It's just like if we only play one voice melody, it sounds a little plain. For example, if we sing 2 voices melody, like a duet, it sounds more interesting. For example, when we sing 4-voice choir, it sounds more meaningful. For example, how to identify different voices in music? I will give 2 examples here. First, let's see Liszt's Liebestraum, measure 26 to 31. In my practice video, I pointed out there are 4 voices in this section. Let's see where they are. This is the music I'm using. Sorry, it's not very neat with my fingering marking, but I think we still can see clearly with the 4 voices here. The top soprano voice is dotted half note D with stems up. I marked the red color there. The second voice is the alto voice, 8 notes with stems down in treble clef. I marked them blue color. The third voice is the tenor voice, which is in the bass clef. These 8 notes with stems up. I marked them green color. The fourth voice is the bass, the quarter note with stems down. I marked brown color. For the music with multiple voices, most of the time they use the stems up or stems down to make the different voices. Now you may ask, since this piece is in 6/4 time signature, why the bass voice doesn't have the complete 6 beats in that measure? Why it's only 1/4 note there? I think since the melody part is in the top voice in this section, the rest of voices is accompaniment. The editor just omitted the rest. If it is a polyphonic piece, like J.S. Bach's fugue, all voices are equally important. In that case, each voice will be marked complete count for each measure. Let me demonstrate this section now. I will start from the last note of measure 25, since that's the beginning of the phrase. In this section, each hand controls 2 voices. We have to balance the touching volume of our fingers. We can play like this. is the wrong type of playing. Same volume for all voices? No, that's not correct. We should emphasize more for top voice since that's the melody part, and soften down the second voice, like this. Now I would like to give you another example that the music marking doesn't indicate clearly for different voices, like stems up or stems down. Let's take a look at this Chopin's Winter Wind Etude. We can hear the left hand has the melody. And the right hand has all the 16th notes. All notes are marked with stems down. It looks like one voice line. But if you listen carefully, the right hand actually has the inner voice with chromatic scale. When you play, you should control your right hand fingers and bring out that chromatic scale voice line more. I think every piece is different. When you play more and more pieces, you will find the nuances within the music. It may look complicated, but it sounds colorful and fascinating. Again, if you have any more questions, you're welcome to leave comments below. Also, I would like to hear your feedback about our online teaching setup. Tell us how you feel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.